Hi, today I'm ready for me Honor 70 Lite and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without device help. Now open first the control panel and find here scan icon. If you don't have this icon, tap to this edit icon, find scan, hold, drag it to the subsection, click to done, and then just tap the scan icon. So click here while using the app. Now just to scan our QR code, we should just place it here inside of our screen. Open with a Chrome or with your currently browser. You could use it just once or always. Just tap to accept, continue. And we could see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.